Good day mga kabayan techers! It's another Tuesday again, and what we're going to do today is we're going to replace the iPhone 7 Plus battery.
Welcome. 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 Welcome.
So let's begin. So the things that we need for this repair, we have the battery replacement. We also have the adhesive for the battery. We're going to also use a screen prior, pentalobe 40mm, a screwdriver 40mm if needed, the Y000 40mm if needed, the black stick, and also the ESD13 tweezer. The battery for this is 81% po. Okay, so let's begin with the repair. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to turn this one off. Okay, and then before you open up the phone, make sure that you wear an ESD strap. Okay, let's use a pentalobe here to take out the security screws. Okay, and then we need again the metal tin prior. It's the same process for the rest of the iPhone. So we put it in between. Then let's have a short clearance on this one, and we're going to use a pick. And then from the pick, pasok po natin siya dito. Again, same process, similar to your iPhone 7. So similar to the iPhone 7, nakahook po siya dito. So what we do is we just wiggle the screen side to side hanggang mag-open po siya like a book. To remove all the connectors, the battery connector and also the camera connector over here. So we use the Y000 to remove that. Again, the battery po tulad ng iPhone 7, nandito po ang ating tatanggalin for the battery. And then we also remove the display cable and also the home button cable. Meron po ditong tatlong screws na kailangan yung tanggalin that covers the camera cable. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Gagamit din ulit po tayo ng Y000 po rito. And then we use a flat end of the black stick to remove the cable from the back. And there we go. Then we remove this one. Next thing that we're going to do is to clean the stickers, the adhesive around the edges of the enclosure. For this one, hindi po natin muna siya tatanggalin because we're going to do another video about replacing the display. But if ang purpose niyo is just to replace the battery, option nyo po yon. But what I suggest is you remove this one and replace it with the brand new one to help out para doon sa waterproofing. To remove these three stickers here that you see on the back, yung mismong flap po ng battery natin. So yung iba po ang ginagawa nila, they want to heat up the back portion of the phone, okay? Para medyo mas madali siyang tanggalin. Pero what I'm not going to use that one, and we're going to use just the black stick and also our tweezer over here as long as hindi siya pointed. Push yung tatlo pong tab po. Pag nakita ko na po yung white, which is this one, gagamit po ako ng tweezer, and then iti-twist ko po yung tweezer to roll ko po para sumama po yung white dito sa tweezer ko. And then while I do this one, it is a roll and tug, and then you could gently roll and tug side to side para medyo hindi kayo mahirapan. May iba naman po na gumagamit sila, they want to remove the Taptic engine, and that is okay too. Kung saan po kayo comfortable, yun po ang process na sundan ninyo. Okay. And there we go. So, next one is tanggalin na po natin yung nasa middle. O kung gusto nyo dito sa kabilang side, pwede rin po kung saan kayo sanay. So again, this is similar to your iPhone 7 process. Pwede nyo wag mo nang tanggalin yung white at idikit nyo na yung susunod. And then, ganun din po. Same procedure. You just pull and tug. Okay. And we got rid of the second one. Then we go on to the third one. I'll move my hand over here. And there we go. So natanggal na po natin ng malinis yung ating battery. So when it comes to the new battery, Meron po itong packaging, so tanggalin nyo lang po siya. Just make sure na hindi nyo po mabebend yung actual battery natin. Okay? So, ang front po natin is yung nandito po yung logo at yung recycling logo, and then nandito po yung manufacturing date ng ating battery. Again, the next same thing for the adhesive. Yung blue muna po ang una natin tatanggalin. And then, the edge, the black edge of the battery should line up doon sa first edge nung black top. So, we do it like this. And then, we just use our fingers to line it up. And then, before natin tanggalin itong pink, idikit muna natin yung tab natin. So again, tatlo po ang tab dito. And then we could use this pink one to line up the tab over here, and then just do a press over here, and there we go. So tanggalin na po natin yung mismong pink. Okay, let's bring back the phone here. First thing that I'm going to do is to line up muna po yung power connector. Yun muna po yung una kong ipa-plug ko po siya. Okay. And then same procedure similar to your iPhone 7, i-line up nyo lang po siya sa side, and then pwede nyo na po siyang i-push down, and there we go. Okay. Para magstay in place po, just use your 3 fingers to have it lined up. And next thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the battery again. Okay. And then let's put back everything. So for this demo, hindi ko na ilalock yung mismong phone natin kasi we're going to also do a screen replacement for this phone. Okay, papakita ko lang sa inyo na everything is working out fine. And then ito pong nasa taas, ididikit ko lang din po. This is similar to your iPhone 7 and 8 video demos. So ilalagay ko lang po ulit yung battery. Nakahook po ito, itong part na to. So ganun ulit siya parang sa iPhone 7. I-push nyo muna yung front, and then push from the back, and then pwede nyo na po itong isara. Okay? So again, pag meron pong lumalaban dito, lift up nyo lang po, baka may screw po na naipit. So hindi ko po siya totally i-close. I'm just going to turn it on. Okay? Okay? Then we go to settings, and then I go on to battery and battery health. Lalabas po siya na 100%. And that's it, mga Kabayan Techers. This is your The Kabayan Tech. Subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you very much, and have a good day.